Solve the following cubic equation. Okay, the cubic equation is this: a cube plus a square equal to 36. Okay, इसमें हम लोग क्या करेंगे, चेक करेंगे कि रिमाइंडर थ्योरम से कि इसका फर्स्ट फैक्टर क्या होगा. तो सबसे पहले अगर इस पॉलिनोमियल में हम लोग a इक्वल टू 1 पुट करते हैं तो क्या ये सेटिस्फाइड होगी. 1 क्यूब प्लस 1 स्क्वायर नॉट इक्वल टू 36. Check for a equal to 2. 2 cube plus 2 square. Also 8 plus 4. 12 is not equal to 36. फिर इसको अगेन चेक करेंगे a equal to 3. Okay, put a equal to 3 in the equation. 3 cube plus 3 square, which is equal to the 27 plus 9 equal to 36. It means a equal to 3 satisfied the following equation. A minus 3 is a root of a cube plus a square equal to 36. The first root of this equation is a minus 3. If it is root, it means on dividing the remainder will be equal to 0. Okay, long division method. First we have to divide this equation. Okay, now a cube means first we have multiplied by a square for getting a cube. A square minus 3, it means a square minus 3a square. A square into minus 3 square. Change the sign, subtract. So we get 4a square minus 36. Okay, again we have to multiply it by 4a. It means 4a multiplied by 4a, we get 4a square minus 4 into 3, 12a. Again change the sign for subtraction, cancel, we get 12a minus 36. They are unlike terms. Okay, next we have to multiply it by 12 for completing the division. 12 into a, 12a minus 36, subtract, we get remainder equal to 0. Therefore a cube plus a square minus 36 equal to a minus 3 into a square plus 4a plus 12. Okay, now factorize these two terms. First factor is a minus 3. Find the other two factors. We have to factorize a square plus 4a plus 12. A square plus 4a plus 12 is a quadratic equation. The first you have to find the discriminant. Discriminant equal to b square minus 4ac. It is equal to the 4a square. b equal to 4 minus 4, a equal to 1 and c equal to 12. Okay, so we get 16 minus 48 minus 32. It means discriminant is less than 0. It means no real roots. No real roots. Okay, now find the imaginary roots for the formula alpha beta. The formula of finding the roots is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. The under root b square minus 4ac is minus b, it means minus 4, plus minus under root minus 32 by 2a, it means 2 into 1. Okay, minus 30 under root 32 means factorization of 32 equal to 2 into 2 5 times. So we get pair in 2 into 2. पेयर में क्या निकलेगा बाहर 4 minus root 2 by 2. Taking 2 common, so we get minus 2 plus minus 2 अंडर रूट माइनस 2i, 2 इंटू आई स्क्वायर. फॉर इमेजिनरी हम लोग जानते हैं कि माइनस अंडर रूट 1 इक्वल टू आई स्क्वायर. ओके, बाई 2, cancel by 2. Now we can write minus 2 plus minus 2 root 2i. These are the imaginary roots. ये दोनों क्या हैं? इमेजिनरी हैं. तो ओनली रियल रूट्स क्या है आपका? a इक्वल टू 3. रियल रूट है आपका a इक्वल टू 3. a minus 3 is a real factor. Okay, the value of a is 3.